If you can write the alphabet, you can draw this. Start off by drawing two C's for the eyes and the scar. Don't forget to add stitches. Draw a U shape for the mouth. Draw another U shape for the head, two C's for the ear. Use sold W's and V's for the hair. And finally draw in some more C's for the straw hat. And now you know that. If you can draw these basic shapes, you too can draw this. Start off by drawing a half circle for the eye. Let's close the second eye to make our lives easier. Draw some sharp angles for the eyebrow. We can't forget Zoro's scar. Drawing a curved line for the nose and a U for the mouth. Let's add in a square shape for the forehead and a diamond shape for the ears. Add in some curved lines for the face and zigzags for the hair. Finally, add in the details. Who should I draw next? Let's draw Chopper. Start by drawing circles for his eyes and nose. Use a W shape for the top and a U shape underneath to form his cute smile. Draw a big oval on top of his head. Don't forget the X, adding some smaller circles for the details. Now let's add in Chopper's antlers and ears. Draw in the face and... If you can write the alphabet, you can draw this funky-looking skeleton. Start off by drawing two O shapes for the eyes and a heart for the nose. Use two U shapes for the cheeks. Draw upside-down W's for the gums. Then draw vertical lines for the teeth. Draw a long curved shape to finish the teeth, then repeat for the bottom set. Now draw some vertical lines for the mouth, then use a U shape for the chin. Use V shapes and curvy lines for the glorious hairline. Finally, drawing a cloud shape for the hair. Then add in some details. Who should I draw next?